Hello guys, my name is Anurag. Welcome to my channel. And today is the part 5 of this Tableau training, guys. Hope you guys learning pretty well on this. So not wasting any time, let's go ahead and today we'll discuss the future part of this training. So on last class we have discussed till what we have learned from the like formatting sections, right? Where we have learned in the analysis sections that we were to create all these filters and something like that. Okay, so today we will go to the formatting one. How we can do formatting, right? So there is a lot of things we can be done in the formatting, right? So there is font. So where we're able to create change the font of something, change the font of this if you want to create something like that, right? So we can go ahead and change the font of it on this session, like, and there is an alignment where we create and we do some kind of alignment, right, where we have all sort of things and all sort of things like that. Like if you want to change from the central, the left or right, so we can do it on the alignment section. Okay, so this is called a shading. Like if you want to put some shades, like the bar graph, right? Like if you want to put some border or some shading kind of thing to this, so you can even do that on the shading side of things. Borders, like if you want to, if it's a table chart or it's a text table, you know, right? What is a text table? Like if you go to show me, if I want to create the first chart, so we are able to create a text table for that. And if you want to create a border for the text table, so we can do that with help of this tool called as border. Next is the lines. So if you want to create some lines between those tables, or between some any chart, like like if you can see here, this is a line. It differentiates the two different charts. This is the sales and this is the sum of the profit. It shows like we are in loss for this particular thing. We are again in loss, and we are in loss of some particular. The highest profit we have gained so much for this is for the telecommunication communications. So it really helps for us to understand the basic things of the basic lines of it. Reference lines. Reference lines are nothing but the reference lines and drop lines are nothing but these are the advanced sections where it says where the drop off is happening. Like for example, if the trend something is like for example from a quarter, like from Jan to March, and something is going on and something has fallen on the March 20th, we show the drop line, like something has happened in this line. So we can go ahead and we can do a strategy, so we can plan something like what's happening and all. So it really helps on the drop line. Annotation is nothing but you can annotate, or you can write something, some notes on those graphs, particularly only for that graph. Like if I want to say that minus 70,000 for the table, like I can click on it and create an annotation. It will show something box here, and it will show a box here, and if you can write something for this saying indicating this thing, it's called as annotation. Next is the title and the captions. So what are titles and captions? Like if you want to create a title here, so you can create a title and the caption for the regarding this thing. So it's called titling and the caption. So next is the field labels. So what are field labels? Field labels is nothing but the labels you created, right? Like we have your envelopes and art. There are the labels. So these are the field labels. If you want to change something or work on something, if you can just create on the field labels, you'll be able to get it. Legends, I have discussed in the previous on the part 4 of our training, like these are legends. This is a color legend, this is size legend, this is a shape legend, these are the legends. Filters, and then to click filter, if I just click on click filters, in the filters I can create it. Also I can create filters here. For example, if I want if I take a region and drag my region to the filters, so I'll get a filter. What I did is I dragged my region to the filter and I click on OK. So I tell you one more, guys, this is the region, right? I just drag it to the filter, and I'll able to see the filter here. But not able to see the filter here, just click on this filter and show quick filter. So now I'm able to see the filter. So it really helps. Again, if I want to just see the southern part of this, see what it's doing, show me just the southern part of the sales, as the southern part of the sales is doing. So it's a really good thing to know, like what are the filters are doing with. So you can see on southern part, I can see that the appliances and the computer purposes are really doing well in terms of profit. And if I want to see the central thing, so I can see for the central thing, telecommunications and office machines are doing pretty well. Also the binders and the battery setting. So this really helps. This filters really helps to filter out some part of thing. If you want to hide it, click on hide. Let me go. Okay, so this comes under quick filter. Cell size, if you want to like if you want to change the size of the cell is nothing but the how we have cells in Excel, right? Cell 1, cell 2, cell 3. The same, if you want to change the cell like taller, if you want to do wider or narrower or the bigger thing, something can be done on the cell size. Guys, if you just go hover over it and just click on anything and click on work on it, so you're going to understand very easily. Copy formatting. I think only if you want formatting, the formatting what has been done on this chart, if you want to see formatting on the like tree chart, just need to copy this formatting and just paste in the other thing. Like see, shows paste option here. So just copy it over it, come into tree chart, and I can see the option for the paste formatting. So go in and click on paste, and the whole formatting, the same color, same border, same font will be pasted in the other tabs like tree tabs. So guys, same thing for the formatting. We have font, like this is alignment. We have shading. We have borders to create borders, shading and shade, lines, reference lines, and drop lines. Like this advanced section, you guys don't need it, and we don't use it much on this. Annotations, if you want to create the annotations, the numbers like that. We have titles and captions to create some titles and some captions on the like want to create some title and captions I have discussed, right? Like for example, okay, if I click on this, I can see the titles and the captions. Like for example, formatting I will do it. Everything can be done on this here. Field labels for the format field labels for the legends for your format is legends. You can do that. Quick filters, as I told you guys, quick filters. You put the filters for all over the places. Cell size and copy and paste formatting. This is for the formatting section. So next is the window part. So what you guys will learn on the window part is that just when you click on the windows, like you can get in presentation mode. Okay, what is the presentation mode? It will take the whole over. So when you click on this, you'll be able to see just this chart, and rest everything will be hidden, and it will show something like a presentation mode. Like how we show the PowerPoint presentation, right? You want to show some presentation on the PowerPoint, and if you want to click on presentation mode, the same way we show on presentation mode. Show toolbar. I think what are the tools, whatever do it here, right? Like everything on the upper hand side, left hand side, the toolbar, status bar, slide bar, these are all the parts we have to have here. And these are the charts. Like if you want to just click on one chart and take you the that chart, and you can do the formatting there on this window part. The so that's it. We have presentation mode as I discussed. All the toolbars are here. The status bars is here. The slide bars can be done on here. Even the bar, pack, and the stack tree, everything can be done on this window bar. Next is the help. If you want to get some help from the support, like if you want to get some from the Tableau community, you go ahead and click on the help and the support section. Like also, if you want to accelerate graphics or something like that, show messages again. Actually, how does it work? Training, you can get a free training from the about Tableau and all sorts of stuff you can get from the help section if you want to visit. So you guys from learn, we have learned all the file section, like or what all there is in the files, on the data type of thing, how to create data and how to paste data, like on the relationships, so how to replace data sources. In the file sections, we learn how to open a new file, close a new file, manage workbooks, save to web. On worksheets, we learn how to create a new worksheet, how to create a tooltip, how to create titles, caption, summary, how to create cards, and everything on the auto update, how to create cross tabs or something like that, right? In the dashboard section, we learn how to create a new dashboard, how to clear dashboards, the formatting of the dashboards, and how to auto run and update it in the advanced section. Not worry about it. Next is the analysis. How to create like percentages and all. We create a calculation part of it. So stacks bars. How to create a total forecasting. How to create a trend lines. How to create a table layout. How to create a legends, color legend, size legend, right? The shape legend and all. How to create filter. How you can able to create filter. The cycle fields. You can swap rows and columns. Like if I want to swap both things up and both things down. Like if I just click on swap, see, it show me like this. It's called as swapping. Okay, so that we learned under worksheets, the dashboard. Then an analysis part, right? And this is the formatting part. On the formatting part, we learn how to do a formatting like for the formatting for the font, formatting for the alignment, formatting for the shading, for the borders. If you want to create some borders, right? We can do it here. Reference lines, we can create some reference lines, drop lines. These two things usually we don't use it much. Actually, the annotation, like if you want to create some annotation, you're saying something like that, it has been like a negative thing or something like that. You have to create an annotation for it. Then then the title and captions. If you want to create some titles and captions, you can put on the formatting thing. Then the field labels, you can create on the field labels. Next is the legends. You can able to legends. You can able to do that. Next is the quick filters. I can create a filters for this. When even you can do that. Cell size, as we have discussed, you can create a cell size. Like you want a square cell, text cell, smaller, bigger. You can do all sort of things here. Also, you can do a copy formatting. Like if I want to do a copy formatting from this thing and paste it to the other dashboard, you can even do that from this formatting thing. In the window section, we learn how to create a presentation mode. Like you want to do, like you create a chart and you want to show to your boss or show to your client or something like that. So you can create a presentation mode and show them on the slide or on the projector. So it's called a presentation mode. And these are the toolbars we have. We have show toolbar, we have status toolbar, we have sidebar, and all sort of things. We have packed, stack tree, highlight, text tables, and all sort of things. We can also be done in the toolbar. Then we have the help section. If you guys want any help from the Tableau community, you can go ahead to learn how to. Also, they have the training. You can even message them, accelerate graphics, and all sort of things. This can be done in the all sort of things. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it for this training. Like as you guys learn how to do formatting and all, please let us know. Please let me know in the comment down below if you have any questions or anything like you didn't understand, like how to work on this, or if you didn't understand like something. If you are working on, if you are stuck somewhere else, if you didn't know how to do, just comment down below and able to answer for all your queries and something like that. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for everything. I hope you guys have learned something. I hope you guys have you were able to learn the at least the basic part of the tableau, how the tableau works, and all the fields here, all the tabs, just overall picture of it. So I suggest you go to the Tableau website, download that tool, download the actually Tableau public version of the Tableau software company of the Tableau software from the Tableau website. Download the highest version of the Tableau website, and you can go ahead and just work on work on the Tableau thing, and will able to easily understand also what all things are going on and easily able to do it. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Now if you have any question, just comment down below and we'll able to answer them. Okay, thank you so much.